Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to use the TEAL rooms in the Martire building. When you first walk in, you'll have this screen and you touch anywhere on the screen to begin. Next, in order to access your sources, you want to press the sources button at the bottom left of the screen. This will bring up all of your available sources in our system. Let's start off with the PC. In order to access the PC, you want to press the computer button here on the touch panel. Now your keyboard and mouse will be located directly below the touch panel in this drawer here. Now select projector if you want to send it to the projector so the whole class can see. And then the projector will come down. Now although the keyboard and mouse to the PC are located over here, you can only see what's going on your screen on the source you send it to. So like here it's a projector. You can also choose to send it to all of the displays, or you can choose one table, such as this one. Next, let's go over the dot cam. Now you want to select the dot cam button, and then you choose what display you want. You can choose one of the 5 tables, all displays, or the projector. The dot cam is located to the left of the touch panel. In order to use it, you just raise it and it turns the light on and everything. You're all set to go. Now when you're done with it, same thing, except opposite, just lower it. Next, we'll go over the Apple TV, which you can use for AirPlay. You just press Apple TV button. Now either choose one of the 5 tables, the projector, or all displays. Now to connect your device to AirPlay, you want to make sure your Wi-Fi is on the network displayed here, and then you want to choose the device that says to choose here. The touch panel also features its own remote that you can use for the Apple TV, as you can see here. If you want to go to the menu, just press menu, and then you'll be on the menu screen for the Apple TV. Now you can use the directional pad to go right, down, and just select anything you want to select. Next, we'll go over the laptop podium function. Now you press laptop, choose one of the 5 tables, projector, or all displays. The laptop cables are located to the left of your touch panel. Now you have your VGA cable, which looks like this, and it goes to a port that looks just like this. There's also an HDMI cable with the adapters. The HDMI looks like this, and your port for the HDMI looks just like this. It also features a lightning cable adapter, which looks like this, and the port for that will look just like this. Now we move on to the functions that we have at each table or pod. So you want to select whichever table you want to show. You want to either select wireless or wired laptop. Now first we're going to go over the wired laptop function. Each table features a little hole like this under a gray top. Now you have your HDMI cable once again that we just saw before, along with the lightning adapter in case you don't have an HDMI port, and it also has a VGA cable along with an aux cord so you can plug it in so you can play audio as well. There's also a power outlet featured in each table. Now when you have connected your laptop to the table, you go back and you want to choose which display, just like any other feature. So say we pick table 2, it'll go to 2. Now for the wireless laptop feature or the Air Media, you want to hit wireless laptop and then select which display. So here we're going to choose a single table, table 3. Now it'll come up. Now you can see how to use the Air Media in our other tutorial labeled Air Media. Now if you're trying to figure out which table is which, just know that the tables are labeled from left to right 1 through 5. So far left is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and far right is table 5. Now if you want to remove something from a display, you want to use the blank feature that's on the bottom right of the screen. So you're just going to hit blank, and then you're going to choose whichever display you want to choose. So here we'll choose table 3, and you can see here the display will be turned off. And finally, if you want to control the volume in the room, you can do it right here from the touch panel. Here on the right side, you can turn the volume up, down, mute it, or unmute it. Now if you're having issues to where you're not getting volume, just make sure it's unmuted. Thank you, and I hope this tutorial was very helpful.